No.
What's going on here?
Oh,
Me.
So, okay, please, can you just go inside? Go inside the room right away.
May God not allow them
Go,
to kill you.
close that door for me. Close it. Yeah! I will show you, baby. I will make sure that I open your yash today. Lean down. You are a criminal.
Yes.
You agree?
Yeah.
You agree with me? I will show you, baby, today. Come on. Go there. Go this side.
Yeah, boss.
No.
Sir.
Hey, see, I'm going to show you that the space between heaven and earth is just a minute. Not even a minute. Seconds.
Yes, sir. It's not my fault. Order me online.
Whoa.
She ordered me online. That come and teach her. It's not my fault.
Okay. You see, what should we do now? You are going to do flood jump. Yeah! And you must not say anything out. Don't let me hear any single thing from your mouth.
Yes, sir. Ijo ọpọlọ. Frog jump. Ọpọlọ jo.
See, let me show you. You don't know how to do it.
I don't know.
Okay,
I don't know.
I will show you now.
Show me, sir.
Come here.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
See what I'm trying to tell you. Yeah. Whoa. Wow.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa. Hey.
Yeah.
Wait up.
I should do it.
Yes.
Wow.
Shut
Whoa.
up.
Wow. Whoa. Ah. Ah. I'm not doing anything again. Oh God, that fucked up. Who never fucked up as in the Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. God bless you. Please subscribe to Mstarcomedytv on YouTube to get more entertaining and more comedy videos. Thank you very much. Subscribe to Mstarcomedy on YouTube to get daily entertainment videos. Thank you very much.